Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your brand's visibility and get the most bang for your buck on social media, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing quick and effective tips to optimize your social media advertising. Let's dive in. Tip 1: Know your audience. First up, know your audience. It's not just about targeting anyone, focus on those who are most likely to engage with your brand. Use social media platforms' built-in analytics tools to define your target audience by demographics, interests, and behavior. The more specific you are, the better your ad performance will be. Tip 2: Use eye-catching visuals. Use eye-catching visuals. Social media is a highly visual space, so your ads need to stand out. Invest in high-quality images or videos that are not only attention-grabbing but also aligned with your brand message. Remember, the first few seconds matter the most. Tip 3: A/B test your ads. Tip 3 is all about A/B testing. Don't just launch one version of your ad and hope for the best. Create multiple variations with different headlines, visuals, or CTAs and see which performs better. This helps you optimize your campaigns in real time and ensures you're spending your budget wisely. Tip 4: Optimize for mobile. Next, optimize for mobile. More than half of social media usage happens on mobile devices, so ensure your ads are mobile-friendly. This means using vertical videos, readable text, and quick loading times. Don't miss out on this huge audience by neglecting mobile optimization. Conclusion: call to action, and there you have it, 4 quick tips to supercharge your social media ads. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips. See you in the next video.